let's see the golden gate. Golden gate, the main the purpose is to replicate the change in the source database to the target database. Here, so we need to install the golden gate in source database. One is in the source database, and another one is in the target database. The source database OG golden gate is capture the change and deliver the change to a remote folder in the target database server. And the second golden gate in the target database is replicate the change in the folder and apply it in the target database, the OGG table. It's not the target table, it's a golden gate table. And then ODI will capture the change in golden gate table and then apply the change in the target table. Here we have a program in ODI. That program is running to wait for the change in golden gate. Once find the changed data, then it will apply it in the target database. So that's the basic idea of the golden gate and the ODI, the integration of these two tools. And let's see the golden gate. Hey, yeah. Yes. Right. No, it will not connect to here. But golden gate is one copy of golden gate is installed in the source database, because we have installed two golden gate. One is in the source database, and another one is in the target database. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let's see. One is in the source table, right? We can, for example, OGG customer, we can see this is the source table. This is the source table. For example, this is your Oracle. This can be HZCUST accounts, right? Customer table. Yeah. This table is in the target system, is in the source database, and the golden gate will create exactly the same table in the target database. It's also called the same name, same fields, everything. Yeah, actually it's identical. It will create one here. So it will capture the change in the source database and move the change in it's called trio file. Move the trio file to the target database, and the golden gate will apply the trio file into this table. This is also a target. This is the golden gate table, not the target table. So our ODI program will keep looking for the change in this table. Once it finds the change, it will apply the same change in our target table. In here, there will be a transform. Yeah. We can see another one. Yeah, this is the golden gate in details. First, this is the source database, source table, and there will be a extract. Extract from the log, archive log. Extract the log, the change, then move it to a remote server. That means the target server. We moved in a target server folder, and here there is another one. Golden Gate replicate manager. It's also it's the replicate manager will apply the change to the Golden Gate table. This is how it works. Then let's see how to install the Golden Gate. I spent some time to install it. Oh, it's not here. Here, yeah. First, you need to install the database. In the past, we usually use Oracle Express. That database is not working with the Golden Gate. So we have to install a higher version of database, 12C, but cannot be the highest one. The highest one is 12.2, but that one is also not working with the Golden Gate. This version of Golden Gate. I find this one is the right version. So install the database. After you install the database, then you can install the Golden Gate, because in the past we have installed the middleware, right? Middleware software in our notebook. So we can just install this one. In there. For example, let's see. This is where we installed our middleware, Fusion middleware. So Golden Gate is also installed in this infrastructure. And yes, we can install it in the, because without this one we cannot install it. It's required to install here. Because we want it to work together with the ODI. And after you install this one, we also need to install the Golden Gate monitor. This one is I can show you. This is our middleware, Fusion middleware home directory. In here, I installed the Golden Gate source. We call it OGGS. And another copy is OGG target, because I have the same notebook. So I just installed in the same same Fusion middleware home directory. But this is 2 copy. It will use 2 ports. Let's see here. So this one is easy. It will, there is a setup program. You specify a directory, then it will copy the install the file here. After you install, you can run it. Let's see. The directory, source directory. Okay. Fusion middleware. That means the Fusion middleware, because when we install API, we installed the Fusion middleware. You mean the Golden Gate monitor? Yeah. Okay, I will show you. Let's just see here. When we install, after we install Golden Gate, that's the directory what we have here. Yeah, that's all. We can just see here. We have all the directory, but we don't have a G agent. That means no agent. You can run that Golden Gate GSCI, and in here. So after we install, we can we can create a manager. This manager we can create. This is okay. This is the manager, Golden Gate manager. But we don't have the J agent. This is also a manager, but this one must be installed by the Golden Gate monitor. So I can show you the software in Oracle website.
So this one we installed in the beginning, right? When the lesson started.
Yeah. Middleware and the Golden Gate. Yeah, we have a Golden Gate. We can install the Golden Gate. This is the Golden Gate. The monitor is is this one. Management pack for Oracle Golden Gate. Yeah, we need to install this one. After we install this one, we will get a directory. We install it in the Fusion Middleware home directory. We will get a directory called OGG main, OGGMON. We will create, this is where that one is installed. So we can get the OGG agent. In this directory, there is a command called create monitor agent, this one. Let's run it, you can see. Yeah, this is how to install the Golden Gate monitor. Yeah, once you run this one, it will ask you where is your Golden Gate home directory. So in this case, I just say my Golden Gate home directory is for source. I will say this is the directory for this directory. For target, I will say this one. This is the directory for target. Then it will ask you the directory name for the J agent. So I just tell it it's a J agent directory. Then it will install all of this. This is what the Golden Gate monitor installed in here. So after you install this one, it will automatically you will get it. Yeah. Oh. So you will get this agent. Yeah. JAgent will automatically, it's automatically configured by the Golden Gate monitor software. That command we run create a monitor agent. So but if you install it in one machine, you need to change the parameter. That's just the parameter file. You can can just change it. So this you need to install this one. After you install the Golden Gate, the manager is simple. You can create a manager. But for the agent, you need to run the Golden Gate monitor. Then it can create a JAgent. So you can start it. Start manager. The start JAgent. And the same thing for the target. The same thing. I also installed the JAgent. So start it. You must start it, or the ODI cannot find it because it's the JAgent connect the Golden Gate under the ODI. Start. Yes. This OGG, in OGG, the JAgent is a must for the ODI. Okay, now all is running. Here. All is running. So manager is running, JAgent is running. Oh, I can show you the parameter here. Parameter. For source, the port is 7010, and for target, $7020, and for the JAgent, you can see here in the JAgent directory, JAgent configure, and it's in here. But all this are automatically generated by the Golden Gate monitor. So you just need to change something. For example, the host, local host, and specify the port, port number, and another one you need to remember the username. For this, this is what we are going to use. And another port is this one. This one. RMI port number. I don't know what it means, but it's used in the ODI. So you need to remember this. Once this will be used in ODI setup. So now we have two Golden Gate is running. One is in the source database, and another one is in the target. It's using the different port. One is 7010, and another one is the 7020. The OGG manager port. So now we can start our ODI. Oh, it's already started. So in ODI, let's see the database. we have two databases here. One is the source database, and one is the target. In source database, we are going to use the ODI source schema, or the ODI source schema, and another one in the ODI target. We are going to use the ODI demo. Let's see the table, what table they have. Okay, ODI source. In here, this is automatically generated by the ODI. You can just ignore it. The one table is the source city, and another one is the source customer. These two tables is using the source database. Its schema is ODI source. Yeah, and let's see the target. Target is ODI demo. The schema is ODI demo. Yeah, you can see the table. It have a table is a OGG customer, and another one is source city, target city, and another one is the target customer. Where is the target? Target customer. So we will move the data from ODI source to ODI demo. Let's see the model. Yes. Different schema. Why it's different schema is we need to differentiate it. Yes, we can use a separate one, but in the notebook we can it will use too much resource. Let's see the model here. I have an order application. You can see the order application. This one is in the source schema. So under here, I have a source city and OGG customer. And another one is the sales management. This one is the target ODI demo. And the table is target city, target customer, and target customer. And we also use source city and the OGG customer. This is what ODI will use. OGG will use. OGG will replicate the change to here, OGG customer and source city. And ODI will apply the change in target city and target customer. This is the data model. And let's see the topology. We need to create the physical schema for Golden Gate. This is the Golden Gate. You can see this is two. Golden Gate source means it's installed in the source database. OGG target in the target database. One is for the initial load, because initial load means at the beginning we need to copy everything in source to the target. This is at the beginning, but after that we need to capture the change in source table and then apply the same change in the target. Yeah, that's what we use. Yeah, the capture and the capture initial load, and the delivery initial load, because we can specify it in the mapping which one we are going to use. Yeah, this one for initial load. This one is for this is called trickle feed. That means you use the log only. Okay, this is golden gate. What we create the physical schema we create for the golden gate. These four. Then in the okay. Yeah. Yeah. No. This is not. Yeah, we need to create it in the. You can see here. Yeah, right. I didn't show you here. For example, this is source. Source here. You can see there's the IP address for source. This RMI port in the J agent. The J agent. Yeah, J agent. And this. Yes, this is not schema. The agent port. And this is the manager port. This is the username in the J agent. Password, username. So you can, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Here you can see this one for this. This is the IP address, right? That means it's a source server, source database server, or the target database server. And yeah, so even this, all of the rest can be the same, but this one is different, right? But in this case, I have just one machine. I will use the same host, but different port number. You use the different port number to differentiate which J agent we are going to use. Yeah, yeah. No, in there is just yeah. No. In there, I don't think the middleware is for the management. We can monitor the J agent. I think that's what the middleware. Why we use the Fusion middleware? We just use that to monitor the J agent. In the past, actually, there is no OGG monitor. The J agent is included in the Golden Gate. The new version, in the new version, the J agent is a separate one. Yeah. So you can see here this is the source manager port. Source manager port. We can test it actually once we start it. This is target. This must be the source. Yeah, it's running. After it's running, we can test it. Yeah, so you can see if we stop it. just the J agent. So you can see, yeah, cannot communicate to the OGG, yeah, host. That's, yeah, there is an exception here. So start it. Okay, now it's running again now. For the, yeah, that's what we create in the topology for the physical schema. Yeah, the same thing for this one, the delivery. Yeah. Capture, we will see the trial file. You can see this is the trial file I specified is the source OGG. Yeah, this is the directory and the file name, trial file name. Started with OC, and the remote trial file folder. Yeah, if it's a different machine, yeah, this will be the remote folder. And the delivery, also, yeah, this is the remote folder name in the target server. And let's see, yeah, the main configuration in the module, because the generalizing is set up in here in the module. The generalizing. So first we need to know which one the knowledge model we are going to use. For OGG, this is the knowledge model we are going to use. Golden Gate, online, and consistent. Yeah. Yeah. This is the knowledge model, and capture process, deliver process. Yeah, we create it in the topology. Capture, delivery, and the initial load for capture and the initial load for delivery. Yeah, that's we have created here. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So in this demo, I will not run the initial load. I will manually run the initial load, and after that, yeah, we just use the capture and the delivery for the trickle feed, just for the CDC. And for this knowledge module, there's another option. Actually, we need to set up the knowledge module option. Knowledge module. JKM. This one, because there is some options in here. Yeah, option. You can see online. This is the one we are. Yeah, online means it will automatically download the file to Golden Gate and change its setup. So if we use the true, yeah, it will automatically set up the Golden Gate. Or if you change it to false, then it will create the setup file and give you a README instruction. Then you can manually do it. According to the instruction, you can manually set up the Golden Gate. But for simplicity, I just use the true. Yeah, it will be done online. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is all default from here. golden gate option. This is yeah, here you can see true, right? We are using true. Yeah. So this is what we set up for the in the model for CDC. And after this, we need to start the CDC. Okay, here is the this model. This is a source. We do it in the source model. Source model. CDC, and we add to CDC. This is the first step. Add to CDC. Yeah. Then create a subscriber. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah. ODI demo. Why I use this name? Because in the program, in the mapping, I have specified this one, the ODI demo. So yeah, later I will show you where why I use this name, because in the program I'm going to use this name too. Yeah, you can see it will create some tables. This is the subscriber table. You can say schema. Yeah, why I use this? Yeah, you can see why it uses this schema, ODI source. You can see ODI source. Where is the ODI source? ODI source. Actually, ODI source is here. So it's using the default. This you can see a check mark here. It's using the default physical schema to create the subscriber table as a CDC table. Actually, the CDC table. This is subscriber. This is the set. This is the set, means the model. And this is the set table. How many tables in this CDC set? Yeah, and the CDC objects. Okay, so once we add the subscriber, then it will create this table under the default physical schema in the target server. And here, yeah. Then we can start the journal. Start the journal. That means now we just start to capture the change. So before we started, let's see what's in our target and source golden gate. This is the target. Yeah, this is target. Yeah, in here we have a manager and a JAgent. And another one here in source, we have manager and a JAgent. Only two managers, right? Manager, JAgent. Yeah, in here the same thing. So now we started in here, start the JAgent. So that's what we set in the option. It's online. So that means once we start the journal, it will automatically set up the JAgent. So it will do the setup here. You will see it. You will see the more managers here for extract, for replicate, for delivery. Yeah. So we just start it. Let's see. Start journal. Start the journal. Start. Okay. The operator. Yeah, still running. Yeah, you can see this window. This is the ODI, OGG windows, the GGSI command windows. because it's setting up the golden gate. Yeah, okay, now it's finished. Yeah, so you can see so many work it has been done here. Yeah. Delete. Or drop. Yeah. Create. So it's okay. The warning doesn't matter. So let's see here. So where is it? It's the source. You can see we got two more manager: extractor, capture, delivery. So this is done by ODI online setup. Actually, this one is we are going to use this manager to capture the change and put it in local folder. And this one is the delivery. It will move the trio file from the local folder to the remote folder. Yeah, this is the manager that we have in the source database. Let's see the target. Yeah, before we run the ODI, just 2. Now, let's see here. We got 3. Another one is the replicate. That means it will apply the change in the folder, remote folder. You can see you can call it remote folder. Actually, it's in the same server. It will apply that trio file in the ODG table. This manager will do. This is what this manager will do. But let's start it. Start replicate DL1. I find there is a problem with this one. We cannot start it. You can see. Yeah, still stopped. I found, let's see the trail file, the log file, and the target. And the target, target. Yeah, this is the log file for the target OGG. So you can see the missing required value. That means, the setup done by ODI, something wrong with here, with the replicate in the target server, target database for the ODI setup, ODG setup. I just manually added there, add that port. I searched on it and find, this one. Yeah, here, missing a value. I don't know what's that. What does that mean? But just I searched on it and finally missing this value. I just added it here. Save it. And then let's start it again. Start it. Okay, now it's started. So, still running. Still running. Oh, now it's okay. Now it's running. So you can see all is ready. Here we have 4 running, and here we have 3 running. That means golden gate in the source database and in the target database are all ready. So it's waiting for the change. So it's capture the change in the source table here, as the source table is the source table. This schema is the ODI source, and the table name is the OGG customer. Yeah, let's test it. ODI source, ODI customer. Yeah, right. Yeah, this is what we have in this table. Yeah, we have, and yeah, let's update it. For example, I write a script to update it. It will update the record every second. Every second, it will update the ODI source OGG customer table and set the first name to the minute and a second, to the current minute and a second. Then we can compare how long it will delay. Yeah, let's see. Every second, I will update the first name to current minute and second. Okay, and let's see here. Then I will select the first name and the current minute and seconds. So we can, from the source OGG customer, that's the first table. This will be the second table, ODI demo OGG customer. This will be the second table. Okay, I will show you. Okay, first table is the, this one is the first table. First table is here, first table. This is the second table is here. The same table name, but different server. Yeah, and another one, we have a target database. Target database. The demo, yeah, it is this one. Yeah, this is the target. Target means in this table, target database. So we search this one, we run this query, we will find the difference, how long the change will be applied in the second table and the target table. Okay, then let's run it. Yeah, that's right. It will run 300 seconds, update every second. Yeah, right. Okay, it's running. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, here. This is the first table. First table, 30, 51. 56, 57. So you can see this is the keep updating. Let's see the second table. Second table. You can see the delay, right? This is the current date. 31 minutes, 12 seconds. Actually, the data is it was updated at 31 seconds, 6 seconds. So you can see this is a 7 or 6 seconds delay between the first update, the source update, to the second update. Yeah, in the here in this table, you can see it's 6 seconds delay. Once it's updated in the source table, you can find it in the second table in 6 seconds or 7 seconds. And run it again. Let's see. 6, 8, 11, 6, 9, 11. So you can see it's keep changing, right? This two is keep changing. Yeah, it's updating, and you can see the delay. 50, yeah, now it's 15 seconds. Now it's 6 seconds. 9, 11, yeah, 8. So you can see, yeah, it's just maybe less than 20 seconds. Yeah, 42, 58 seconds. It's 11, yeah, 6, 8. Yeah, so now we can see the first update and the second update. Okay, now let's see the target. This is done by ODI. So let's see here, ODI. Target database is not updating because this is done by ODI. We have not started that program. We have a program in ODI. We need to start it. Yeah, start replicant. So yeah, let's just run it and see the effect. Then let's see the details in this the package. Okay, just run it. Right. Yeah. Okay. Now that means that ODI here is capture the change in this golden gate table and apply the change in the target table. So let's see the target table here. Okay. Now it's 34, 52. This is the, yeah, because of the mapping, yeah, the first name is here, 34, 52. Yeah, it's keep changing too. Yeah, 35, 35, 35. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how. Yeah, this one is 35, 29. 35, 32, 35, 32, 36, okay, maybe this one is finished. Yeah, this one is finished. So let's see the first table. First table is 35, 36. Second table, ODI demo, 35, 36. And the target table, 35, 36. Yeah, this is, so you can see that all changes in the source table has been applied in the target table. And the delay, yeah, we can see the delay. Yeah, it's not too long, maybe 20 seconds. Yeah, within 20 seconds. Let's run it again. Let's see. Okay, let's run again. So first table, yeah, is changing. Second table is changing, and the delay 10 seconds, delay 8 seconds, 7 seconds, and the third table. Yeah, here I don't have a okay, let's put it here. Okay, now you can see the delay. 13 seconds, 13 seconds, 17, 9 seconds delay from the source to target. 26, 38, and 12 seconds. That's the total delay from the source to the target table. Okay, I think that's the effect of ODI and OGG integration. So yeah, maybe we can spend some time on the here this program, right? Because we didn't check this program. You can see this program actually it runs every second, every 3 seconds. How many seconds? Yeah, that's a setup here. Let's see this program. Yeah, this is this program for the in ODI, and first is waiting for log. Waiting for log, yeah. Waiting for log in this table is a capture. It's waiting for. Okay, let's see here. This is the logic schema. Target is the target. And oh yeah, every 3, I set up every 3 seconds. It will check the log every 3 seconds to see if there is a new log coming. And this is the CDC set. Yeah, this is actually this wait for log data. If it find any log data, they will start run. Otherwise, it will stop and wait for 3 seconds and run again. You can set up a timeout. Yeah, if there is no log data for a certain time, it can stop. But now, yeah, I didn't set it. Yeah, it will always run and keep checking for every 3 seconds, and then it will run this one. This one, yeah, it's for the extend window and the lock subscriber. This is for the consistent CDC. Extend window, that means it will check the reference integrity. For example, some is a master table, some the reference. Yeah, you just check the reference key. Who should apply the change first? And this is this step, and this is tool mapping. Okay, yeah. Later we check. We will check this mapping, the different mapping. Yeah. And it will run the mapping. This mapping is just for the log, in the trickle feed, only the log, apply the log only, not the entire data. And then here it will purge the journal because it's finished. Purge the journal and unlock the subscribe. Yeah, and then for this in this program, I just run this scenario again. It will keep looping. Run and again. So you can see here. Create a lot of new one because every loop it will create a new one. So this just for the demo. It's for simplicity. In the real program, we will create a loop. It will not create so many running tasks. This is the one. Wait for log. Then extend the window. Check the reference key. Check. Actually, it's determine who will apply the change first, and then run the mapping. The mapping is for log only, and then unlock the subscribe, and this is the circle. So yes. ODI wait for log. So this is the ODI tools. You can see this is the CDC. In the change the data capture, there is some API. One is wait for log data. This one. This one is it's running wait for log. Once it find the, so I thought this one is if it's event-driven, event-oriented feature. Actually, this is not an event, right? But this program is keep running in 3 seconds. So it's hard to say this is the event-oriented because this program is running, always running. And that's it. So let's see the mapping because the key issue is the mapping. Let's see this one. Load target customer. Let's stop it. Stop it. Okay, let's just stop it here. Stop the CDC. That's the process for stop it. So first, you need to drop journal. Drop journal, it will drop the CDC data and the CDC infrastructure because it will create a few tables. So after you run this one, it will delete those tables. Drop. Let's add it. Okay. Because this error is because we dropped journal, so our program failed. This program will fail. This program because there is no subscriber, no infrastructure, so this program will fail. You can see this failed. And let's check the here. Before we drop journal, we have these managers are running. Let's see how. So you can see stopped, all stopped. Another one stopped. This is automatically done by ODI. Actually, it should delete these two. So let's run it again. group journal. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. Oh, so you can see all two now, right? All two left. The replicate has been deleted. And another one here, deleted too. So you can see these are automatically created. Now automatically dropped. The same thing here too. Once you run it again, it will create it again. It's a completely stopped. So no journal. Its CDC table has been deleted. Yeah. So and here return to the old status. Yeah. This is how we stop it. And let's see the mapping. Mapping load. Yeah, this is from the source OGG source database. This is from the from the target. You can see this is the target table. Directly, this is the target table. This is the source table. Yeah, this one is in the source, OGG source. This one is from the target ODI demo. So here is quite normal. It's the ordinary mapping from one to another. Yeah, and the difference is we can specify the subscriber here. Generalizing ODI demo. So you can now it's you cannot update it because it's not in the CDC site. Later I will show you how to update it. So this mapping here, we specify the subscriber. All changes regarding this subscriber will be applied in the mapping. But for this one here, it's the ordinary. Here is just the ordinary mapping. You can see the physical will be different. Another, one more implementation for this mapping. Yeah, you can see bulk load. Initial, we run it, we just run this one. This is the ordinary mapping. We use the staging area, source, and target. But we have another one is accurate. Because this one is a normal one, right? Ordinary one. But the special one is this one, trickle feed. Yeah, you can see the trickle feed here. Oh, yeah. Oh, trickle feed now it's different. Now I have to delete it. I close it. I will add it to CDC. Otherwise, I cannot set up to a CDC. Yes. Okay. Now you can see a clock icon here. That means it's in the CDC site. And then let's see the mapping. Yeah. You can see the here. So you can update it now. Demo. Yeah. Once it's in the CDC site, then you can specify the subscriber. And here in physical, yeah, this is in the bulk load. You can see here is different now. Can you see the difference here? Yeah, that means it's in the target machine, target database only. It will not go to the source table. It's in the target. Even this one, OGG customer, it's in the target. It's in the target database. You can see the normal one is this. This is the normal one. This is the source table, staging area, staging table, and this is the target table, right? This is using load knowledge module. This is here using the integration knowledge module. But for the trickle feed, it's different. It's just in one machine. So how to specify this, right? Yeah. Okay, I can create a new one. Let's see. Close it. Let's see. New mapping. Source is this one, and target. Oh, what's this? Edit. Okay, do it again. This is the source. Oh, I remember now what is, because I create some filter. Where is it? Here. Filter. Delete it. Source. Target. Yeah, source, target, source, target. Okay. Then here, yeah, the name. Name. Okay. Okay, that's it. Yes, simple mapping. So this is the first ordinary mapping. Now we used it before, and we specify the. Now we cannot update it now. So later we will update it, and this is the target. Okay. Oh. We need to remove it. Target tab, the integrated tab, remove it, because we have a different type. We have a different integration type, because we have two implementation later. Okay, this is the first one, and yeah, physical. Here we are using global Oracle. Okay, use this one, and integration. Oracle control append, because this is the initial, so we append the record. Yeah, this is the ordinary one. Then we need to, let's say rename it, bulk load. Doesn't matter, this is just the name. And create one more implementation here. Yeah, okay. First, we need to check this one. It will use generalized data only. This is a very important setup for the generalizing tables. You need to click it. That means we are using the journal only, not the whole table, whole data. Yeah, and we create name. Click it. Okay, let's save it. Save it. Okay. Now, after we save it, you cannot. You didn't see any change. Let's close it and open it again. Physical. Trickle feed. You can see it's changed, right? Change to 1. Yeah. Okay. Now you need to specify the integration. Integration here. You need to use the update. Integration update. Yeah, that's it. That's the new trickle feed. Because this tool is just in the target machine. So this is a trickle feed. We name the trickle feed. We later will use it in the mapping because for this one, it's using the journal only. So this is the mapping we create. Let's see here in the package. Okay, let's see this package, how we specify that trickle feed. And you can see this. Yeah, let's see the property. You can see here the trickle feed. We have bulk load and the trickle feed, right? But for this one, we only have here we are going to use the journal only. This is this is where we specify the trickle feed. And okay, maybe I forgot here. The mapping. So after you specify the journal only, then you can go back here and change your subscriber. Yeah, you can change it. ODI demo. Yeah, it's specified in the model. Yeah. So I think that's it for the mapping and the package. Okay, that's it.
Very good, Jason.
Thank you.
Yeah.